So when they see it, hello everybody and welcome to another episode of English with Sarvi. Well, this is another episode of fun activities for English class series. So in this one, I'm going to show you how you can practice WH question words with your teenagers in a very, very fun way. Teenagers really loved playing that game where you put like a vocabulary item on your forehead, on a card, on a piece of card. You write it down, you put it on your forehead, and then the other students have to come up with some sentences that could best describe that word so that this student sitting down could guess the word, what the word is. Now, from this game, I was thinking, how could I create another one which is a little bit different, still challenging, could involve a lot of different minds, different students in the classroom, and be as fun as this one. I came up with the idea of these hats. So, as you can see, I've got a WH question word, who, written on the hat. I made it with the A3 paper.
When I got which,
where, who, I even included whose, which was a little bit more difficult and they didn't even have it in their books, but I just wanted them to have the exposure to it. I wrote them on these hats and I'm going to show you how you can create the hat. It's so easy. Try to use A3 paper because A4 is going to be too small. Then I put it on my forehead. I put it on my head actually. It's big enough. Look, just like this. So when they see it, they gotta ask questions that start with which. Yeah, so they really liked it. They had so many questions with what that we couldn't even finish up when and where. I think we only worked on what and which today. It's gonna be really interesting for them. And you can then ask them after you modeled it, gave them a model of yourself so that they can ask questions about you. Then you can ask them to come and sit on the chair one by one so that this time you can listen to the questions, all right? And while you are looking and monitoring, you can write their errors. Because in this lesson, when they learn how to make questions using WH question words, they can still have, they might still have some problems using, for example, the auxiliary verb, when to use it, when not to use it. So it will give you a great opportunity, but I'm telling you, in teenagers classes, if you teach them, you know what I mean by great opportunity. It will give you great opportunity because everybody is engaged. They are so interested in asking questions that you have got the class in control, so you can focus on your delayed error correction. You can write down all of those errors, and then when the game finishes, you can give it as homework, or you can simply write some of them on the board and focus on the most important ones, focus on the most common errors of the students. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can make these hats. Keep watching. Everybody, thank you very much for being with me in another video. I love you very much. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you still haven't done it. It's not too late. Go ahead, push the subscribe button, push the like button, and don't forget to push that bell button next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I love you and goodbye.